Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We still have leftover pressure treated lumber. The garden tool holder didn't use that much. We want the cats to be able to come out and hang out with us. I don't think I will build an entire room because that's a lot of lumber and I would need to build a door. A floating design is what I'm leaning towards. Let's do some research and see what's out there. All done with research. We are going with DIY Explorer's build. These freestanding ones are pretty awesome that we can walk into, but they take up too much space. My wife wants the bottom to have our current plant stands, so we're going with the free floating style. The shopping list is pretty simple. Let's go pick those up. Back from Home Depot, I initially wanted to rip these into 2x4s to use them, but they're actually too short, so I needed to go pick up 10-foot 2x2s. I'm still going to rip those and use those as other framing parts. Let's unload and make some cuts. I made a few rip cuts. These 2x8s are now 2x4s. Hopefully there is plenty of lumber. We are doing 6 feet for the sides. I don't know if there's a stud here. I'm pretty sure there's one there. I'm going to try fastening it and hopefully feel if there's a stud behind there. I got the side pieces on there. This initial test drill, it felt very hollow in the back, so I ended up fastening it to the frame with 4 of these 3.5-inch wood screws from the garden tool holder. We're gonna go ahead and cut that triangular part. I tried to make some miter cuts with a circular saw at an angle setting. They're not perfect, but I think they will work for what we need them to. These will have pocket hole jigs. Let's get them fastened over here. here is the tentative plan. We got 2x4s on each side with artificial grass turf in the middle. The wife wants artificial grass and turf, so the wife gets what the wife wants. We have a couple of 2.5-inch wood screws for this piece and pocket hole jig there. Going to do a couple more in the middle for additional support. Let's get those pieces cut. I have cut these long pieces and these shorter ones that will go in the middle. I did a little bit of sanding so the edges aren't too rough. Let's get those placed and fastened in over here. Good morning. That is why the sun is looking different. We have fasteners up top, more pocket hole jigs on the bottom. The plan is to use that pretty big piece of leftover plywood, and the artificial grass turf would go on top. Let's get it cut. I'm going to break this video into 2 parts because I feel like it's getting kind of long already, and it's perfect timing because I want to do at least 2 coats of stain, and that'll give us a couple of days for it to dry. It is going to be outdoors and definitely get rained on. Video 62 done.